What's going on, guys? It's Yubi the Tech Guy here, and I'm back with another video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the lag issues with your Galaxy smartphones. So recently I've updated this phone to Android 12. It's a mid-ranger Galaxy A51, and I've noticed that it is so much laggy. First I thought this was a mid-ranger 2 to 3 years old phone, so it might be that the reason might be the processor is getting slower or something. But I've discovered a new way, a technique to fix the lag issues of this phone. So what you guys have to do is, firstly, you need a phone, you need a laptop, and you need a USB Type-C cable to connect to the phone. What you guys have to do is go to power off your device. Okay, so now it's completely powered off. Now what I will do is I'll connect this USB Type-C to my MacBook, and this one to the smartphone. Now we will wait for this charge icon. Okay. Okay, so now what you have to do, and one thing more, is you can do this exact trick if you have a USB Type-C headphone. Just connect your USB Type-C headphones to the device, and you can also do it with that. You don't need a USB Type-C to Type-C because I am using a MacBook Pro. This only has USB Type-C ports. You can also use a USB Type-A to USB Type-C. So now what you have to do is you have to click on the volume up and power, or click volume up and power button and hold it at the same time, like this. Okay, just keep holding them until you see the boot screen. There we go. So now, as you guys can see here, there are a lot of options to choose from. What you have to do is you have to go to, you can scroll the menu through volume up and volume down, and you can enter through power button. Like volume up will scroll upward, and volume down you will scroll to the lower options. So what you have to do is you have to scroll to the wipe cache partition, not wipe data factory, but wipe cache partition. Click enter, and now what you will do is you will scroll down and select yes, click enter, and there you can see the wipe cache has been done. Now what you will do is reboot system now, click enter. This method is completely safe. None of your data will be removed. It is completely a safe method, and you will actually feel the difference after doing this method. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and I will be uploading most of the videos like this, so subscribing to my channel would be very helpful to you. We will wait, and then we will just. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, And if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below if you have any questions or you want me to do any videos regarding these videos. And like this video, and please subscribe to my channel because I really need that, and this will feel me much more appreciated. So that is it guys, hope you enjoyed this video, and peace.